Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Lewis India Round 1 preparation. As we know that on the 12th June, there is a Lewis India competition Round 1 DSA and that there is question that is related to data structures and algorithm MCQ and the programming question. Okay, so in the video we see the one question that is related to dynamic programming concept. In question name is My Fair Coins and the question level is high. Okay, so in the previous video we discussed question number 1 stack preparation started, as you can see that. Okay, so let's start the video. And what is the question actually? This is related to My Fair Coin. There are coins of two different denomination in Crazy Land. Okay, so there are two different coins or denomination, 1 cent coin and 2 cent coin. Okay, they have two faces, head and tail. Okay, so we don't know about what exact they say that, but they said only that there are two different denomination coin in Crazy Land and 1 cent coin and 2 cent coin. Okay, so what is our task? Your task is find out the number of way to create a linear arrangement of this coin so that their sum is n cent. Okay, so if the 1 cent coin and 2 cent coin, and we have to find linear arrangement of this coins so that their sum is n cent. So the only condition on the linear arrangement is that first coin is the arrangement should always have heads up and all the other coin have either tail or heads up. Okay, so what the actual questions, 1 second friends, I just open the paintbrush. Okay, so what the actual questions here, the questions is actual here is they said that there are two coin. Okay, the 1 cent coin and there are 2 cent coin. Okay, there are 2 cent coin. We have to arrange in a linear arrangement. We have to arrange in linear arrangement that the sum of coin is n cent, and the only condition of linear arrangement is first coin in the arrangement should always have heads up. Okay, not the tail or not the either, and the other coin should be held up. So we take the value of n is equals to 2n example. So the possible arrangement is one head because the only condition is first coin arrangement have always head up, and second is second edge, another one edge and one tail where h is head and t is tail. There are three possible arrangement that sum up to 2 cent. Okay, so this is related to 2 cent. Okay, so while counting make to sure difference between head and tail. Okay, so the first line contain a single integer test number of cases. T line follow each containing a single integer required sum. What are the some constraint that you can see that output is for each case output should be single integer representing the number of such arrangement possible. As the answer can be very large, print it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so there are so many arrangement and so many integer that represent such type of arrangement, so the answer can be very large, so we can print by modulo. So this is the example input 3 1 2 3 and this is the example output. So this is just related to arrangement of coin. Okay, so what is the solution? This is solution in the Python. Okay, so we take the mod value is equals to that because the answer is very big, so if we will print in the modulo. Okay, so firstly we import the system, and then there is a function that firstly n1 n2 and n3 value is equals to 2. So this value is just referred to multiply function, mul function. Okay, so this will perform some operation that it will divide from the modulus. Okay, it will not divide from modulus, it will check the condition that in present. Okay, and return the answer value. And there is a matrix called 0 2 and 1 2. So this type of value we take for that, because in that we also put the value as same. Okay, because we have to find in 1 cent coin and 2 cent coin, and there are two different type of denomination is here, so we just take there. Okay, so there is define power matrix, and so there is another function. Okay, we just check the value of first, and we check the value of first that whether is head come or tail come, or the other coin is head or tail come. Okay, so for finding that we just perform some operation in that function, and after we have another function that continuous take the value and then the print all the values that are remaining in that. Okay, if this part is not print and if this part is true, if this part is false, so else part will be print in that matrix. So this type of logic in the in perform in that questions, and last we print the answer value. Okay, so that is related to mod. Okay, so this type of questions are generally asked in that exam because this is related to dynamic programming. Okay, so the dynamic programming main important advantage are used that here, and we have to find the possible combination that are also from the previous one. Okay, so this type of possible arrangement questions and this type of questions are generally asked in the exam. I hope this video is useful. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. If you want some more videos, drop your query in the comment section, and soon I just make and live stream that is related to Ruiz India and Walmart Code Ads, because both the challenge on the 12th June. Thanks for watching the video.